Let me ask this again. And I will remind you, if you refuse to participate any further, my decision to arrest. Okay. Bring your hands behind your back. Push your hands together like you're praying. Based upon my observations up to this point, leads me to believe that you're impaired and unable to safely operate a motor vehicle. As such, I'm placing you under arrest for DUI.
A routine traffic stop. A driver suspected of operating under the influence. But this isn't an average citizen. This is City Councilwoman Rachel Kadick. Watch closely as the illusion of power shatters. When political flex meets standard police procedure, reality sets in.
Rachel, can you take your seatbelt off from the rear of your car? I'm going to chit-chat with you back here. Just back here, ma'am. So, the reason you can face me. The reason I asked you out of the vehicle is based on the totality of circumstances. I'm going to do a DUI investigation. We participate in some standardized field sobriety evaluations. I'm trying to give you an opportunity to dispel my fears that you're impaired such to the point where you can't legally and safely operate your motor vehicle. I'm asking that you voluntarily participate in some standardized field sobriety evaluations, but you're shaking your head no.
I'm just shaking my head no because I think it's ridiculous, but whatever.
It's up to you. I can't force you to participate, but if you refuse to participate, my decision to arrest you for a DUI charge will be based upon my observations up to this point. Your refusal can be used against you in any criminal proceeding. You want to participate?
I'll participate.
Okay. I have some questions for you before we do anything. Are you sick or injured today?
I'm sorry, what?
Are you sick or injured today?
I'm not sick or injured.
Do you have any physical limitations? Do you take any medications or drugs for that?
I do not, but I could if I wanted to.
Okay. Any other physical limitations?
No.
Okay. Have you suffered any recent head trauma or been hospitalized?
No.
Okay. Are you diabetic or epileptic?
No.
Okay. I noticed you're not wearing eyeglasses. Do you wear contacts?
No.
Okay. So you see out both your eyes, yes?
Yes.
The timeline is uninterrupted. The Molly CGN evaluation begins. The eyes don't lie. Alcohol disables the brain's ability to smoothly track a moving object. Scrost is frinny.
So I'm just going to have you stand here, bring your feet together, heels and toes touching, just like my feet do. All right, hands to your side. Can you see the top of my pen? Can you see my pen? Okay, what color is my light?
Red.
What I'd like for you to do is to stand still. Don't move your head. I'm going to move my pen left or right. You follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand?
Yes.
Pupils are equal. No resting, no stagnance. I'm going to move my pen. You just follow the pen with your eyes, okay? Move your eyes. Follow the pen with your eyes. You're not moving your eyes. You got to follow the pen with your eyes. Don't move your head, just move your eyes. You're not following the pen. Do you want to participate?
Yes.
Okay, I'm trying to give you an opportunity to participate and dispel my fears. All I need you to do is to follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, follow my pen. Okay, you're not following the pen. I don't understand. Are you unable to?
I don't know what you're asking.
I'm
you're
moving my
asking
pen, and I'm just asking that you track the tip of my pen with your eyes. Okay? But you got to move your eyes as I move my pen. Okay? That's all I'm wanting you to do. Okay? Just track a stimulus, like the tip of my pen or tip of my flashlight with your eyes. I'm wanting to see how your eyes are acting. Okay? It's very important. We use our eyes when we operate a motor vehicle, and this is one of the most important evaluations that we can conduct. Okay?
Okay.
Notice the detachment. She stares past the pen, fixated on the backup officer, who classic sign of impairment. In Prayson.
All you're doing is moving your eyes left and right with my pen. That's all you're doing, okay?
Okay.
Looking at my pen. You're looking past my pen. You're looking at my partner.
No,
okay?
I'm looking at the pen.
Focus on the pen. There you go.
The walk and turn. A divided attention test. 9 steps out, 9 steps back. The instructions are crystal clear.
So here, just a moment, I'm going to wait for this car to pass before we get into the... we do 3 evaluations, okay? So for this next evaluation, I'm going to place you in the starting position at one end of the line here. And then I'm going to have you hold that position so I can give you the instructions I'm going to demonstrate. Ultimately, you're going to walk down the line, turn around, and walk back. Okay? But don't actually start the evaluation until I tell you to begin. Do you understand, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. So come on over here. I'm going to have you face my vehicle. Face down the line. Okay? Take a couple steps back and put your left foot on the line. Take your right foot, put it in front of left heel, touching toe, and rest your hands to your side, just like so. I need you to bring your right foot onto the line so that your right heel is touching your left toe. All right. When I tell you to begin, I want you to look down at your feet, and I want you to count out loud. You're going to take 9 steps down the line, turn around, and take 9 steps back. It'll look just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 9. On your last step, keep your front foot on the line. Take your back foot, and take a series of small steps to turn yourself around. And then once you've turned around, take 9 steps back down the line in the same fashion. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 9. Be sure to look down at your feet and count your steps out loud. Don't stomp or pause until you've completed the entirety of the evaluation. Do you understand the instructions?
I do. It's also 70 degrees outside.
I understand. Whenever you're ready, you may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Her execution is a disaster, counting to 13 instead of 9, a massive cognitive failure. The physical evidence is stacking up. Significant farti morchens, hargeres rikshum bitsenshi sempi asterio and vre.
Go ahead and complete it. Whenever you're ready.
Complete what?
The last set of 9 stops. You take 9 steps down, turn around, take 9 steps back. So
Okay.
take 9 steps back down to where you just were. Okay.
Realizing she is failing every objective measure, desperation peaks. She interrupts the final test to initiate a political flex.
I'm going to have you come down this way just a little bit. Take a step back. I'm going to have you stand right here. Okay. All right. So bring your feet together and rest your hands to your side. Okay. When I tell you to, I'm going to give you the choice. You're going to raise your left foot or your right foot 6 inches off the ground. It'll look just like this. Okay. Both legs are raised. Your raised foot is pointed, so the bottom of your foot is parallel to the ground. You're going to look down at your raised foot and count out loud by thousands. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005. Just continue counting until I instruct you to stop. You want to avoid hopping, swaying, using your arms for balance, or putting your foot down. Now, incidentally,
Mr. Myers,
Yes, ma'am.
I need to use the restroom.
Okay, unfortunately, there's no restroom out here.
I know.
We're almost done. We are.
I'm very close to home.
Yeah, we can't let you go. You
I
did take
understand.
criminal investigation.
Under criminal investigation for what?
DUI.
What? What?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
I don't understand that. What I mean is I don't understand what you're asking.
You do.
I'd love to answer your question or address your concern. I literally don't understand what you're asking.
But you do.
Can you ask me again?
I already did.
The officer holds the line. The law does not care about your zip code. Her frustration boils over into blatant entitlement.
Can I continue with the instructions?
It's 65 degrees outside, so I'm gonna put my shoes on and I'm gonna drive home.
You refuse to continue to participate in standard sports and evaluations.
I've done a great job.
That's not right. Let me ask this again. And I will remind you, if you refuse to participate any further, my decision to arrest. Okay. So you're willing to participate in the one-night stand evaluation.
It's 9:20 at night.
Okay.
I've participated in everything that you've asked.
Well, you're stopping me as I'm providing the instructions for the third evaluation.
I'm stopping you because it's 60 degrees outside.
It's actually negative 21 in Iowa from where I'm from.
Well, I'm from Cape Coral. I grew up in this exact same district that I'm representing.
Right. Okay. So what is it that you're asking me, because right now,
I'm not asking you for anything.
Pulling rank fails, Chainu Gifyuan says. The cuffs click, the illusion fades. The badge does not bow to the council seat.
okay. Well, I'm gonna ask
I
you.
am actually leaving because you have found nothing.
Put your hands behind your back. Push your hands together like you're praying. Based upon my observations up to this point, leads me to believe that you're impaired and unable to safely operate a motor vehicle. As such, I'm placing you under arrest for DUI. Come on over here, face my vehicle, please. Do you have any slides or something other than heels that I can grab from your car for you?
I only have my hands.
Come on over here. Come on, my vehicle, please.
A frantic search for leverage. When political rank fails, the guilt trip begins.
215 white female for signal 1. You are under arrest for DUI. Are you willing to provide a sample of your breath for the testing of its alcohol? There are some consequences if you refuse. I can leave those consequences to you.
I have participated.
Do you have anything? Okay. Well, let's take a side step here. Do you have anything on you you're not supposed to have? Do you have any guns, knives, weapons, any contraband?
Does it look like I do?
It does not, but I'm going to ask you anyways because you're going to be going to controlled facility. It's a felony just to have something on you. So it's 2 felony charges as opposed to 1 if you have like drugs or something on your person.
Why would I have that?
I don't know, man. I've never met you before.
My daughter is calling. I'm sorry. She's 15.
I'm sorry.
I mean that. She's 15 and she's calling.
Lucy. Is she home alone?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to take your right hand out, and I'm going to have you take your watch off. I'll let you talk to your daughter for a moment, let her know that you're going to be in jail for the night. Okay?
I shouldn't be in jail for the night because I shouldn't be.
Okay. Look. She's 15, so she can take care of herself. I'm assuming she's in high school at this
She
point.
shouldn't take care of herself, but yes,
Do you
I
have a
should.
family member or something?
I have my husband, who is right up the road.
Okay, so he's home as well. Okay.
Well, he should be.
Okay. I'm going to take this hand out. We're going to take this watch off. Keep your hands behind you.
Cape Coral City Councilwoman Rachel Kadick was arrested and formally charged with DUI, a painful reminder that the law remains blind. Geherd, no title can outrank the truth. Boliv free can yv sissent samler